Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Nair Rizvi from Future Gadgets, just showing you guys a quick video of how these days all the iPhones are coming with the issue of the Swelled and the expanded battery. So now this is 13, which is not a very old phone. I just open up and see how badly the battery is swelled. You can see this battery here. I just removed it already. I'm just going to show you that the battery is like ballooned already, okay, and it's swelled, okay. You can see how thick the battery is. I hope you will be able to see it, this battery, yeah. So this is the original Apple battery, which is these days a very common issue. Apparently this is happening with lots of new phones, 13, 14, 14 Pro Max, all these phones coming back, 12, all the 12 series. So this is a very common problem, and so you have to be prepared to keep some batteries in the stock to replace them. I'm using this amp-centric batteries, very good batteries. This is the amp-centric extended battery. You can see it. It has 8% more capacity. It's iPhone 13. Okay, and I'm going to install it, and that should be fine. And this is the extended battery. You can see the basic extended battery, and so this is what I'm going to install, and that should be good. But a lot of these coming back, and apparently the problem is the charging. The people are charging from different charging, like cubes and different power cubes and all that. So this is a very common issue. So you can see another, I think this is a 14 Pro Max battery. See how badly it is, okay? It's all balloon, okay? And once this happens, customer has no choice except to change the battery, because it's gonna crack the screen if they don't change the battery. It's gonna push it and it's gonna crack the screen, because this battery is already like puffing and ballooning, okay. So I hope that you will be able to stock these batteries and then make money replacing the batteries. But always use the good quality battery, okay? Don't use any cheap third-party battery which are no-name brand kind of thing. So don't use those ones. Thank you for watching Future Gadgets. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you see our latest short and long videos. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.